Hello friends, I came back to tell you about the remaining part in differentiation. Today we will learn about some important problems related to 4 marks, 8 marks in question paper pattern. Let's see them. Some important 4 marks problems. First one, y is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square plus tan inverse 3x by x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square minus tan inverse of 4x minus 4x cube divided by 1 minus 6x square plus x to the power of 4. We will learn some formulas. Tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square is equal to 2 tan inverse x. These formulas will be useful for you in objective. Tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square is equal to 3 tan inverse x. Tan inverse of 4x minus 4x cube divided by 1 minus 6x square plus x to the power of 4 is equal to 4 tan inverse x. Remember, these formulas will be useful for your objective. So, y is equal to 2 tan inverse x plus 3 tan inverse x minus 4 tan inverse x. Simplify them. 5 tan inverse x minus 4 tan inverse x. So finally we get y is equal to tan inverse x. So we will find derivative for the given y is equal to tan inverse of x. Now we will do derivation. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to, we have tan inverse x, dy by dx of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. So d by dx of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. The final answer is d by dx of 1 by 1 plus x square. Now second question, x to the power of 2 by 3, y to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to x to the power of 2 by 3. Now we will find the derivative. Differentiate with respect to x. We have one formula, d by dx of x to the power of n is equal to nx to the power of n minus 1. We will is of the form x of 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 x to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1 plus 2 by 3 into y to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 by 3 into a to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1. Here we have to do the inner derivative. So d by dx of y is equal to dy by dx. So 2 by 3 into x whole power minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into y whole power minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx is equal to 2 by 3 a to the power of minus 1 by 3. Take common 2 by 3 in LHS side. X to the power of minus 1 by 3 plus y to the power of minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx is equal to 2 by 3 into a to the power of minus 1 by 3. 2 by 3 get cancelled. Now dy by dx, we shift x to the power of minus 1 by 3 into RHS side. Y to the power of minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx is equal to dy by dx of constant 0. So 0 minus x to the power of minus 1 by 3 is equal to dy by dx is equal to minus x to the power of minus 1 by 3 divided by y to the power of minus 1 by 3 is the final answer. Function x is equal to 3 cos t minus 2 cos cube t and y is equal to 3 sin t minus 2 sin cube t. They have given two values. So we have to find the derivative for the x value and the y value. So differentiate with respect to t. So dx by dt is equal to d by dx of cos t is equal to sin t. 3 sin t minus, it is of the form x cube. So x to the power of n, x to the power of n is equal to nx to the power of n minus 1. So 2 into 3 cos of 3 cos square t into inner function cos t, that is minus sin t. So dx by dt is equal to 3 sin t minus 2 3 6 cos square t into minus sin t. dx by dt is equal to 3 sin t plus 6 cos square t minus sin t. dx by dt is equal to, we take sin t as common, 3 sin t as common, 3 sin t into 2 cos square t minus 1. We have one formula, 2 cos square theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to cos 2 theta. So dx by dt is equal to 3 sin t, in place of theta we have t, so 3 sin t into cos 2t dx by dt. We got the value of dx by dt. Now we will find differentiation for y value. dy by dt, differentiate with respect to t. dy by dt is equal to d by dx of sin t is cos t minus 2 into 3 sin square t into inner derivative sin t. dy by dx is dy by dt is equal to 3 cos t minus 6 sin square t into dy by dx in sin t is equal to cos t. dy by dt is equal to 3 cos t minus 6 sin square t into cos t. dy by dt is equal to, we will take common as 3 cos t, that is 1 minus 2 sin square t. We have one formula, 1 minus 2 sin square t is equal to 2 cos 2t. Now we have to find dy by dx. So dy by dt by dx by dt is equal to 3 cos t into cos 2t divided by dx by dt 3 sin t into cos 2t. Cos 2t get cancelled. So dy by dx is equal to 3 gets cancelled. Cos t by sin t is equal to cot t is the final answer. Next, the given function x is equal to 3at divided by 1 plus t cube and y is equal to 3at square divided by 1 plus t cube. So we will find derivation. With respect to t, dx by dt is equal to, is of the form u by v. So d by dx of uv is equal to vu dash minus uv dash divided by v square. So here v is equal to u is equal to 380 and v is equal to 1 plus t cube. U dash is equal to d by dx of x is equal to 1. Here in place of x we are taking t. So 3a d by dx of v is equal to d by dx of constant 0. D by dx of x cube is equal to 3x square. So d by dx of dx by dt is equal to vu dash. V is 1 plus t cube into u dash 3a minus u 380 into v dash 3t square divided by v square, that is 1 plus t cube whole square. Dx by dt is equal to 3a plus 3at cube minus 9at cube divided by 1 plus t cube whole square. Dx by dt is equal to 3a minus 9at cube plus 3at cube is equal to minus 6at cube divided by 1 plus t cube whole square. We get dx by dt value. So now we will find dy by dt value. So dy by dt is equal to is of the form u by v, that is vu dash minus uv dash divided by v square. Here u is equal to 3at square and v is equal to 1 plus t cube. We will find u dash, that is d by dx of x square is equal to 2x, that is 6at into v dash is equal to 2t square. D by dx of constant is equal to 0, 3t square. So dy by dt is equal to vu dash 1 plus t cube into u dash 6at minus u 3at square into v dash 3t square divided by v square, that is 1 plus t cube whole square. Dy by dt is equal to 6at plus 6at to the power of 4 minus 9at to the power of 4 divided by 1 plus t cube whole square, that is dy by dt is equal to 6at minus 3at to the power of 4 divided by 1 plus t cube whole square. Now we get two equations 1 and 2. Now we will find equation 2 by equation 1. We get 6. Now equation 2 by equation 1, that is dy by dt divided by dx by dt is equal to 6at minus 3at to the power of 4 divided by 1 plus t cube whole square whole divided by 3a minus 6at cube divided by 1 plus t cube whole square. 1 plus t cube whole square, 1 plus t cube whole square get cancelled. So dy by dx is equal to 6at minus 3at to the power of 4 divided by 3a minus 6at cube. Now the final answer dy by dx, we take 2 as common, 3 as common, 2at minus at to the power of 4 divided by 3 into a minus 2at cube. 3 gets cancelled. So the final answer is dy by dx is equal to 2at minus at to the power of 4 divided by a minus 2at cube. Till now we have learnt about differentiation. In the next class I will meet you saying another new lesson in Max B. If you have any doubts, post in comment section. If you like this video, click the bell icon and subscribe our channel. Share this video to all the students so that you can help them by saying these lessons.